Hey guys, Chicago injury lawyer Scott DeSalvo here, and in today's video I cover the topic of why do you need to know whether I'm on Medicare, Medicaid, or whether I have private health insurance and who I have it through. Why do you need to know that information? Here's the short answer. When it comes to the federal government or Medicare or Social Security Disability and Medicaid, which is through the Illinois Department of Healthcare and Family Services here in the state of Illinois. If they're paying your health insurance premiums or they are paying any of your medical bills, whether they paid anything on your injury case or not, we have a legal obligation, I have a legal obligation to reach out to them, to ask them whether they paid anything on your case. And if they didn't pay anything, they'll send me a letter saying they didn't pay anything and we don't have to pay them anything back. But if they did pay something, we have to pay them some money back. Required by law, I'm able to reduce what they ask for, but we have to do it. Why? Because if we don't do it, they can come back and sue you, or they can cut off your benefits, right? So let's say we don't pay them a $5,000 bill out of your settlement, and you have breathing problems, and you go to the hospital, you give them your card, and they say, look, we can't treat you until you pay off this balance, okay? They're sending you bills, your bill goes into collections, it's bad news. They can sue me too. They can sue the insurance company. So the only two kind of claims on your case that we have to reach out are government claims. In other words, Medicaid or Medicare. And that's why I ask for that information, and it's why you gotta give it to me. If you don't give it to me, I can't represent you, because any attorney who represents you is going to ask that information because they don't want to get sued either. So it's mandatory. There's nothing we can do about it. But like I said, usually they didn't pay anything, or they paid such a small amount we're able to work it out, and it's not a big deal. But it's not my preference. I'm not doing it for no reason. I'm doing it because it's the law and that we're required to do it, okay? So hope that answers your question, and I hope you're doing great. If you need a lawyer, if you need a free consultation with an experienced injury attorney who's going to take care of you, you can call me anytime, night or day, 312-500-4500. That's 312-500-4500 for a bunch of cool tools that'll tell you more about injury cases. Check my description. I got a couple of cool tools on there, and if you wouldn't mind giving me a 5-star review on Google, I've got a link in the description there for you to do that too. It would really help me out, and I'd really appreciate it. And finally, I'm going to keep this one short. If you or anyone you know has injury case questions or has any issues or anything like that, just let me know, and I am happy to give you a free consultation, answer any questions you have. 312-500-4500. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your viewership, and have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.